If you are a real estate agent and you don't invest in real estate, then you are a fraud, and we need to fix that. Imagine that you're at the Honda dealership talking with the Honda salesman. He's getting you all buttered up about why the Honda Civic is the best car on the market. And so you go ahead and you buy one, you believe everything he says, and then it's his break and he goes and hops in his new Toyota Camry and drives off. Are you gonna trust a salesperson about the product that they're promoting, the benefits that the product provides, and the salesperson's services if they themselves don't even use the product? If you're a real estate agent, yet you rent an apartment, you are essentially that Honda salesman who's driving a Toyota Camry. If you spend your time talking to your clients about how good of an investment real estate is, yet you don't own any, what does that say about how much you believe in your product? By being a real estate agent who actually owns real estate, that not only shows that you believe in your product and practice what you preach, but it's also gonna give you a whole new level of experience as a real estate agent. This year, I actually bought a new primary residence. And since this was like the first property I bought more as the home that I may live in until retirement instead of as an investment property, it was a truly emotional process. First, we were told by the listing agent that we had a deal verbally. And so, we had an accepted offer. Me and Caitlin are celebrating. It was exciting. But then several days go by without him actually sending me the accepted offer paperwork, just to give me a call and say, actually, a couple more offers have come in. Like, you're gonna have to bump up your offer if you wanna have a chance. So it was heartbreaking. Caitlin's over here crying. I'm thinking, crunching numbers. Should I really offer another 25 grand? Am I overpaying for this? Am I getting too emotional about this? And on and on. It really put into perspective how clients must feel whenever they're going through those stressful parts of a real estate transaction. Because after you do it hundreds of times as a real estate agent, it doesn't really seem like as big of a deal, and it's a lot harder to put yourself in the shoes of your clients. But going through it myself, of almost losing my dream home and all that, it really started to put some things in perspective and builds a whole new level of skills that you wouldn't have if you yourself have never had those experiences as a buyer. If you follow everything that we teach here on the channel, it won't be long before you're making all these real estate commissions and have so much dough sitting on the sidelines that you don't know what to do with it. So you're gonna have to come up with some place to invest that money. For real estate agents, the absolute best place that we could be investing our extra cash is in real estate and becoming real estate investors ourselves. If you want to build the most wealth and do so safely, you should be investing in what you know. If you're a stockbroker, you should probably be investing in stocks. If you're a real estate broker, you should probably be investing in real estate. You should be investing in the place where you have the biggest competitive advantage. Once you become a real estate investor yourself, it becomes so much easier to work with real estate investors because now you speak their language, you know exactly what to look for, and you have instant credibility. As you build your real estate portfolio, those who are just getting started are going to treat you like the real deal, the real estate expert you are, because you actually practice what you preach. And because you have this credibility, they're gonna respect your opinion and be that much more likely to follow your advice throughout the sales process, making it easier on everybody. When talking about investing your money, you should never be investing in a place where the odds are stacked against you. So if we think about your career in real estate, you have the knowledge, you're usually the first person to see the deals, and you save on the real estate commission. Don't be the Honda salesman who drives a Toyota Camry home. Go out, invest in some real estate, and start your journey to financial freedom. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like button on this video. We also got a subscribe button up here for you so that you can follow on your journey to real estate millionaire, and another video over here that I know you're gonna love. Tons of tips about real estate investing and being a great real estate agent. So thank you guys so much. See you on the next one. See ya. Click on the next one.